Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup. Once done, confirm which cloud account is linked, Google Drive on Android or iCloud on iPhone, because that determines where your backup lands. Make sure you are on Wi-Fi or have an unlimited data plan, and your battery is above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. You're now ready to change backup settings and proceed to frequency and content options. Now you change the actual settings. Tap Backup to Google Drive or iCloud settings and pick a frequency: daily, weekly, monthly, never, or only when I tap Backup. You can also toggle Include Videos if you want media in the copy, and enable end-to-end encrypted backup for extra security. This creates a password or 64-digit encryption key. Make sure to switch the cloud account here if you want a different destination, and check that that account has enough storage space. Finally, tap Backup to run a manual backup and watch the progress indicator. This confirms your settings work. Once it finishes, verify the last backup date and time and ensure the correct cloud account is listed in Chat Backup. If you set a schedule, the app will follow it automatically. Troubleshooting tip: if the backup fails, make sure WhatsApp has storage and network permissions, your cloud service has free space, your network is stable, and the app is updated. Then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.